Hello, this is Philip Nodling, your KA4K. We'll be reporting to you from Nashville, Georgia over the Thanksgiving holiday 2023. And I'm going to show you why I really like military solar panels. This panel has been out here for 24 hours. It's been rained on. And we're going to go up here to the, oh, there's my daughter. Oh my goodness. We're doing a documentary video. How do you think about the Thanksgiving holiday weekend? Hey, oh, we're in a holiday festive mood again. Yeah. Isn't she cute? Okay. All right. Now, we're going to go back to our video.
Watch the Ant-Man.
Oh, yeah. Now, we have no sunlight on this, and it's been like this for a while. It's really hard to see. We've managed to charge the battery up without full sunlight on my field setup. You can tell that by the constant solid LED. These panels will produce juice almost in twilight. They work very well. They're global solar 62 watters. You can still find them, but they've been discontinued because the company went out of, well, actually they didn't go out of business. And there goes a car down the main highway. Yay! The company morphed into Global Solar. I think these panels are superior to anything that power film issues, because you just can't leave these out. You can't leave power films out in the rain for days on end without them delaminating. So here's the end-fed half wave I've got set up at the in-laws. There's a choke that I made. There goes the coax way over there. Here's a N9 SAB, 49-to-1 Unan. I inadvertently busted the ears off, so I took a file to it and made them smooth. I've got a counterpoise out there that I probably don't need. Also a ground connection here. And we chucked this up into the tree with a Weaver weight system. It works very well. Got approximately, 60 feet of coax. Let's walk back over here. And here's another N9 SAB product. This is actually a 100-watt inline choke. He makes a smaller one for QRP people, but Tim wanted me to test this prototype out. I don't know if he will put these into the full production. You'll just have to ask him if you want a 100-watt model. But that's the interim report. Basically, this was about solar panels. It ended up being just an extravaganza of non-pertinent information. Of course, we always have to stop and talk to my daughter, Sarah. Well, that's it. Day after Thanksgiving 2023. We'll come back with a later update. Y'all, God bless you and yours, and we'll talk to you later. KA4K, Nashville, Georgia, signing out for now. Bye-bye.